What is involved in your job here at the Nytex?
At Nytex Sports. I'm the controller. We have 4 entities here actually. We have the arena where we have skating. We have the Nytex Competitors Club, which is figure skating. We have adult leagues and youth leagues. So that's one entity. We also have Texas Brahmas Youth Hockey Association, which is our non-profit youth hockey league. We have a restaurant, Jeroma Bar and Grill, that I do the books for there as well. And then our last one is our new NAHL team, the Lone Star Lions.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool. What math do you use for your job?
A lot of algebra. Not so much geometry, not calculus or anything like that, but a lot of algebra.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
So what level of math is required in your job?
I took algebra in high school. I don't think that I took any dedicated math classes in college. It's been a while, so I can't really remember. But I did take statistics. I took both basic and advanced statistics, as well as cost accounting that's tied to my profession directly. So I would recommend algebra, good basis for algebra, some additional cost classes associated exactly with accounting, and then statistics are always good to have as well, some level.
And where did you learn the necessary math?
Well, high school, and then I have an undergraduate degree, and then I also have a master's in business. So between those 3 is where I got all of my math that I needed for my job.
How does your understanding of math benefit you in this job?
You need a lot of math. In addition to doing the financial statements for those 4 entities, I also do payroll. So I always have to look at the hours and kind of look at how many hours people are working. I also deal with state reporting. I have to report taxes to the state level that you have to take percentages in consideration. For instance, down at the restaurant we submit 2 different types of taxes to the state. They have different percentages, so you have to do that. Also, when we are setting up a new item on our point of sale system down at the front desk, sometimes we have to add tax, sometimes we don't. You have to determine what percentage will be added and figure that out so that it's clear for the customer when they come in.
What is your favorite part of your job?
I don't just do accounting. There are a lot of things here that I've been kind of tasked to help make improvements. We do a lot of processes here very manually, where we still write a lot of things down. Say for instance, our payroll timesheets, we still write it down. And so just recently I've been tasked to kind of improve that so that we can save a bunch of time, because it is just so manual, and we've got about 100 employees here. So try and make those types of improvements. That's a lot of fun, trying to find ways that we can save money, cost-cutting measures. I really like that too.
Alright, why did you choose this profession, Susan?
My dad is an accountant, so I don't know if a little bit is in me. I do like numbers, and I like when things logically work out, and there's a lot of logic in accounting. It either works or it doesn't, and so it's really quite simple because it is a science. It's not necessarily an art, but I do like when things work out logically, and so I really do enjoy that part of it.
Okay, I can understand that. So could you tell us an example, like step by step, of what you do maybe?
Okay, so say for instance, I was talking a little bit about taxes that we report to the state. A good example of when you need to do that are like concession sales. Let's say we have a sale for $3, a candy bar for $3. I'm still required to report taxes to the state for that, but I don't collect the taxes on top of the $3 from the customer. That's lumped into it. The tax amount is lumped into that $3 sale. I have to break the part that I need to send down to the state out of that $3, so I determine what we keep as a company and what needs to go to the state.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Yes. Alright, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Sweet.